Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to design your room on an app. Here are the detailed steps to help you design your room using the Room Planner app. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Search for Room Planner app. Download and install the app. Once installed, open the downloaded app to open it. Sign in to use its features. Now once you go to your profile, tap on Sign In. You can log in using your Google or Facebook. So I'll continue with Google. Once signed in, go to Homepage. Grant access to storage if prompted to save your projects. Tap Add Room or Floor Plan in the top left. Then hit Create to begin designing a new room. Choose the type of room. Select from bedroom, living room, kitchen. So I'll choose bedroom for now. Pick a floor plan layout. Choose to start from templates. Hit the edit room if you like the template that you're looking for. Then wait for it to download. Adjust room dimensions. Tap the walls to change the color, resize, or input exact measurements. Add furniture and fixtures. Tap the Add Furniture and choose to add items like bed, decorations, tables and chair, or appliances. Place and arrange items. So I'll choose seating furniture. Then I'll choose this side table. And as you can see, you have the option to choose the shape of your chair. So tap on the shape and choose the style of your chair. Then hit Add to Room. Drag items into the room. So I'll drag this circle chair to move closer to my screen. You can further rotate it, resize, or move them as needed. Customize colors and materials. Tap on items to change fabric, colors, or finishes. Switch to 2D view. Tap the 2D icon to see your room from a 2D perspective. Save your project. Save to keep your design. Again, as I mentioned before, you may need an account to unlock its other features, and you may need an account for cloud saving. Export or share your design. Tap Export or Share in the top right to save your room as an image or send it to friends or family. Tip: upgrade the premium version for more furniture options, HD renders, and full room access. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.